Lenge Khamsang, Taring Kingindu Sigapa the Lenge Samuel Gasushi year, Taring Kingindu the Nala Lenge Sola Nigi, Marang Korla, Tiwa Gyada, Tiwa the Gela Lane, Dus Chinipure, Inchirang Naner, the Rata Taring Inchirang Nanche Padus Shane, and Nigi the Inchinang la Tiwa Tigo, representation of what is your name? My name is Kizom Lady Pugene, what is your name? Nana Kiraming la Kari, my name is Kizom Nana, naming the Inchisi Kizom Si Yorelanitus, Ketishi Chick Chinigam, the Rakan Shupana Tendichiwarajina, Nindum Peremucha Durwaine, at the Negi. Karishigi but the language of Kotate to a children, Chesang Della, Pui, the Injiniga Nala Tiwa, the Laniga Duschinishagi, Matsuki Inchi Katsumo, Katu Jangbarajine, Tamadela, Suzuki, Chik Laktar Chetubesta, Susu, Gunden Swana, Inki Yaptuedo, Chatubarajina Payabo, Ratchesangigi, Chiling to let Tiwa Lebarajine and Tiwa the Karila Yure, Lane Dipo, Kandichi Jago Relation, the get someone taking in the Guinilingas of Lashi, and if he's a lingus of Giti, can do by Nanyan to Motinisiruna, Tinyon like his lingus on the Temak Tango Picture Chadina, Khamsang, Yaming like Kizum see you, but to Dakba Piget on the Injang, no sum than you, things also Pigishing you, but down Piget on the Injang de Pina, inching on the channel to subscribe Naruna, and it Yendung leg it is this Dawa, Purbu Pemba, Church to Shida Chegatolang on the channel, learn English with Kizum to Ligure, Lasota, Motu to get somewhat tane, Mazaki de Mutinichik doing.
How are you?
I am great, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Kizom.
How old are you?
I am 27 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Kollegal.
Where were you born?
I was born in Kollegal.
Where do you live?
I live in Siliguri.
Are you single?
No, I'm not.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother and one elder brother.
What is your hobby?
I love reading books.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is olive green.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I did not have any breakfast today.
What is your blood group or type?
My blood group is B positive.
What is the last book you have read?
The last book I read was The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
What is the last movie you have seen?
The last movie I've seen is Black Panther Wakanda Forever.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at around 6:30 in the morning.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed at around 9:30.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is potato dumplings.
How many languages you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
How is the weather today?
It's nice and sunny.
Can you cook?
I am a terrible cook.
What are you going to do today?
Today I'm going to make a video for my YouTube channel.
What are you doing now?
I am filming a video.
Where would you like to travel next?
I would really love to travel to Tawang.
What did you do last night?
Last night I read 3 chapters from this book called The Art of Communicating by Thich Nhat Hanh.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I have some work to do.
What sports can you play?
I can play any sports.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes, of course.
Can you lend me ₹10,000?
I don't have 10,000 for myself.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you love me?
Not in that way.
Have you ever gone bungee jumping?
No, I've not, but I would really love to try.
Could we have lunch together one day?
Sounds good.
Have you ever been to the US?
No, I've not.
Are you on any sort of medication?
Yes, I am.
Do you prefer ice cream or cake?
Cakes.
Do you have a credit card?
No, I don't.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I do.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I'm somewhere in between the two.
Are you afraid of needles?
Not now, not anymore.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Yes, of course.
Are you a romantic person?
Yes, I am.
What gets you really angry?
Mean people get me really angry.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
Who is your favorite singer?
I have two. They are Charlie Puth and Jessie J.
Are you a pet lover?
I don't hate them, but at the same time, I don't love them.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Nobody's Perfect by Jessie J.
Do you have any phobias?
No, I don't have any phobias.
Are men better than women?
No, I think they are equal.
Are you a vegan?
No, I'm not.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I'm a vegetarian.
Do you sing well?
I'm a terrible singer.
Can you dance?
I think I can.
How many pillows do you sleep with?
I sleep with 2 pillows.
Are you a clean or a messy person?
It depends upon the day, mostly clean.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect books.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert person?
I think I'm a little bit of both.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
I would really love to live in my hometown.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
Starting my own YouTube channel has to be one of my most recent proudest accomplishments.
What makes a happy marriage?
I'll tell you when I get married.
Do you get bored easily?
Depends upon the day.
What subjects were you good in school?
Geography and economics.
How many hours of sleeping generally need per night?
About 7 hours of sleep per night.
Are you addicted to anything?
I'm addicted to coffee.
How often do you eat fast food?
About once a week.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Twice a day.
Do you snore?
No, I don't.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like oranges.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do, but I don't eat it regularly.
What is the best way to study English?
Practice.
Do you like being asked questions?
It's okay.
Are you a foodie?
I'm a huge foodie, but I prefer to stay on my diet.
Are you a lazy person?
No, I'm not.
Do you like to listen to music?
I love to listen to music.
Are you a BTS fan?
I'm not a die-hard BTS fan, but I like them.
Do you like to wear makeup?
Yes, I do.
When was the last time you cried?
Maybe a month ago.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 123-456-7890.
What is your email address?
You can email me at tsekizzz9@gmail.com.
Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
What date is it today?
Today is 23rd December 2022.
Do you like him?
Yes, I like him.
Why are you going to Chennai?
I have some interviews.
Why do you study English?
I study English because it's necessary.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
How long have you been feeling like this?
For 2 days now.
Have you done this before?
No, it's my first time.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my office.
When will you come?
I'll come tomorrow.
What does your father do?
He's a farmer. La salinge taring kinyendun diran sami mabinge la lenge so subscribe na ju ina injek subscribe na rona taring kinyendun dina la lenge so chikoma chiba dosta khari yakshe doji thawe ba chichengi desen na thirochi ani chimai kinyendun na lenge sama kyar tu chegi ro chigi tiba de lenge sama jakpu chini shuruna ngansingem de inji jani shuruna